Greetings to you all beautiful souls using the same base based on my two previous video. Now we're still using the same base. As I told you, you can use this base to create several styles. All right, so what is on my hand now is second material, satin second material. All right, full length of it, very long. All right, so you saw the way I placed it on my head with one side longer than the other side. If we are to go by measurement, it should be 70-30. So rotate this way. Now I use that longer handle, I twisted it and rotated it round the shorter handle. As I said before, if your own is 2, you can wrap it like the first previous videos I did based on this particular base. It was just 2 that I did with Ashoki fabric, but this one, because it's very long, it was able to go 3 good times. All right, so if you go 3 times fine, 4 times fine. All right, so just keep twisting and wrapping it around the shorter handle until you exhausted that particular side. Okay, so pay attention closely now. You see what I am doing. Twist it and continue to use it to go round, and before you know it, you form something like a hip. I don't know. Just give it a name. All right, so taking the last part of it and tucking it in at the back. Pay attention what I'm doing now. Then use your pin to support it. Use your pin to make sure you pin it in very well. You can go ahead and pin 2 times if the first one you pin you are not sure of it. All right, so pin it, and when you're done with that side, we are going to work with this particular one now. All right, so bringing it to the front this way. If you have watched my 2 previous videos, you should be able to understand what I am doing now. It's still the same base I'm using, but I'm using them to create several styles. All right, so I think this should be the 6th style or thereabout that we are creating from this particular base. Watch my 2 previous videos, you understand what I am saying. All right, so pleating it and bringing it up this way. Pick up your rubber band and fasten it in the middle. Pick up rubber band, fasten it in the middle. You can see what I am doing there. It's not all that difficult. If you pay attention and practice it, before you know it, you are doing it. Okay, so pick rubber band, fasten it in the middle. Now I'm going to stretch this out. Take the little bit of it and pin it to the base. See the edge, I stretch it out, then pin it to the base of the head wrap. So what I did here now, that is what I'm going to do to the other side. So if this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing a voice is Demi Gill Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. So please do well to drop your like and your comment. And those of you watching, please drop your like and comment. Do not watch and walk away, please. And also don't forget to press that subscription button. Follow me, let's work together. All right, so getting the 2 edge now, the 2 edge up now, we are going to stretch it out this way and merge 2 of them together. Pay attention what I'm doing, because I don't want the head wrap to be too big. So you see now I'm dragging the 2 edge and drag it down to the other side. Then the one that is on the left side, I drag it to the right side. The one that is on the right side, I drag it to the left side. So if you don't want it to be too big, this is where you're going to control it. Just drag it. Okay, but still pay attention. I'm still going to tell you what you're going to do to control it. So if you don't want it to be too high, so using pin now to pin that 2 edge that I brought together. Now I'm going to fold it. You see, I folded it. So if you want it to be small, fold it and keep folding it until you get the size that you want. Okay, so I folded it now to pin it there. So I am done tying. What is left now is for me to keep folding it wash just to get the round edge. Okay, so just to get the round edge, and our head wrap is ready. Then we adjust it until you get what you want. You can see now this side here. Now I folded it. I use office pin to pin it there. Then I'll be going around anywhere that is not, you see this place now, I'm going to fold it in and use pin to pin it. So that is what you're going to do until you're able to get what you want. Alright, so as I said before, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Please do well to drop your like and your comment. And to you all my subscribers, I welcome you all, both new ones and the old ones. I welcome you all and I say kudos to you. You are too much for helping me to stay tuned. And those of you who are yet to subscribe, please don't forget that. And don't forget to share my videos. Share my videos, let others, your family, your friends, let them also benefit from it. Come, let's learn together. Alright, so you can see it now. So that is it. So please don't forget to also subscribe. Let's watch, let's learn together. Again, don't forget to practice. They say makes perfect. Yes, the more you practice, the more you be perfect. Alright, so just watch. That is difficult. If you don't practice it, you will not understand. Alright, so you can use your hair accessories to cover this rubber band here. Just cover the rubber band, adjust it, and you are good to go. You can see, arrange it. Okay, just place your hair accessory there, arrange it, and you are good to go. You can see the beautiful head wrap that we have here. So elegant, so cute, so beautiful. Oh, you can go order, give it a day. So you can see it now. So just keep adjusting, cute, elegant, beautiful, isn't it? So look at the side. So now let's close the back. Alright, so dragging the whole excesses up, just drag the whole excesses up, bring them up, then use your office pin and pin it down, and you are good to go. Pay close attention now, just pin it down. But while pinning, please be careful so that you don't pin the head wrap together with your skull. Alright, so that is what the back looks like. Beautiful, cute. So it is time now for us to rock and rock and rock and rock. You can see the back, the side, the front. That is what they all look like. So dance and dance and dance and dance and dance. I love you all. See you in my next video.